MSSM builds exhaust systems for power plants. So it's really heavy product, structural fabrication. We do all of our own coatings and we don't subcontract anything. The company's been in business since 1966, started as an HVAC business, and in the early mid-80s found this niche market and started serving engineering firms and delivering product to power plants. We're seeing huge growth in the power industry due to data centers and AI. What's happening is you get these massive corporations that are building data centers, and so they're building power plants on site to power the data center.
My name is Jeff Mares. I have been with MSSM Corp for just over 19 years now. I'm currently the operations manager, also do a lot of work on the engineering side, and most recently have been managing the project of adding a new laser. Plasma is kind of, it's very robust, but when you're cutting light gauge materials, it gets a little bit too much. Way more heat into it too, so you get a lot more distortion on your materials. Whereas the lasers, they'll put some heat into it, but it's not nearly the same.
What we're finding, the old laser table is about 25 plus years old. It's also CO2 laser. It uses, when we cut 304 stainless, it uses nitrogen as an assist gas. This new table is going to be fully operational with nitrogen. The laser that you guys just provided our gas supply for will be about 4 to 5 times faster than our previous laser. It actually starts becoming a labor issue, not an equipment issue. We'll put another guy out there to help load and unload the table.
I've had a number of different interactions with several people within General Air, such as we have recently had safety audits and weld audits, which have been very helpful for us. It's identified pieces of equipment that we could upgrade or repair, different processes that we can improve on to make the shop safer. They've always had great service anytime we've needed something, and every time we call, we're greeted with a positive attitude and very helpful service. I've been on the phone, all the time, ordering doers, ordering different things, been picked things up, and everybody down here has been great, everybody.
We're excited about the new partnership that you're bringing to us, the new nitrogen install, and just taking this company to the next level.